In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign owners to deals in HubSpot CRM. Assigning an owner to a deal ensures accountability, enables correct notifications, and makes your pipeline reports accurate. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot CRM with permission to edit deals. From your HubSpot home, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for navigating every tool. Next, open your deals. Look for the sales section in the top navigation and click Deals. This brings you to the Deals index where all open, closed, and unassigned deals live. You might see the board view with stages or a table view with columns. The steps are the same conceptually, but today we'll focus on the table, where you can clearly see the deal owner column. On the table, locate the deal owner column, scan down the rows to find any deal showing no owner or an unassigned marker. These are the records that don't have a responsible person yet. Click directly inside that deal owner cell for the specific deal you want to update, and you'll see a small drop-down selector appear. That's where you choose who should own the deal. If your list is long, use the quick search within the selector to find the right teammate by name. Now select the correct person to assign to this deal. Pick the user who will drive the next step, run meetings, or update the deal through the pipeline. Click their name, and HubSpot will apply the change immediately. There's no extra save button for this field on the index page. You should see the owner's name replace the previous no owner label right away. Depending on your notification settings, the new owner may receive an alert so they can follow up without delay. A few practical tips as you assign: choose an owner who has access to the associated company and contacts to avoid permission hiccups. If you're unsure who should own it, check your team's routing or territory rules, and remember that ownership impacts views, workflows, and reports, so keep it accurate and up to date. That's it. You've navigated from the HubSpot home, opened your deals, identified an unassigned record, and used the dropdown to assign the right owner. This small action keeps your pipeline clean and your team accountable.